All right, HVAC people, Walter here from Washington AC and Heating down in Katy, Texas. If you're running a home service business, HVAC, plumbing, electrical, you name it, and you're still using notes, text, messages, memories to run your day, let me show you something that changed my entire workflow. It's called Jobber, and it's an all-in-one CRM I use to run my business like a real business. From scheduling to invoicing to getting paid fast, Jobber keeps everything in one place. Here's how it helped me. I can schedule jobs, assign them to my techs, send quotes, and get approvals right from my phone. And if you're like me and you use subcontractors for installs, you can schedule your subs directly in Jobber too. They'll automatically get an email and a text with job info, address, and full work description. So there's no confusion and no missed details. Once the job is done, I send the invoice, and most of the time I get paid before I even leave the driveway. My calendar stays organized, my customer stays in the loop, and my team knows exactly where they're supposed to be. No more back and forth texts, no more lost paper quotes, no more I forgot to follow up. Jobber does it all. And here's the thing. If you've been thinking about getting more organized or growing your business the right way, now's the time. I partner with Jobber to hook y'all up with something special. You can try Jobber 100% free for 14 days. No credit card, no screen, just see how it works. And if you like it, use my link and get 20% off your first 6 months. That's a real discount to help you level up. I'll drop the link right in the video description. So if you're ready to stop working harder and start working smarter, click that link, try it out, and thank me later. Jobber helped me grow, and I know it will help you too. All right, HVAC people, I appreciate you for watching. Stay cool, stay booked, and stay getting paid. Catch y'all on the next one.